something I have to pull out you. Anyone I have to pull out on you, dear?
Me done.
What?
She lie?
You ready?
This have been up my fingernail. Well, my fingernail bend back, I can't feel it.
Cause I'm in the mood and I'm feeling so. I'll say that in my day. Hey, the ear teeth I use, you know.
Like earlier, you said teeth I use.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, it's a panty challenge. Yeah, new drawers. Tag them on them still in a bag. You get a drawer, you get a drawer, you get a drawer, you get it. So, what the challenge is gonna be is we're gonna tie them up, then we're gonna blindfold ourselves and untie them. Who untie them the fastest wins. What? Wait. Them here are gonna get the most. Yeah. Them here get the most tie, cause them here are the most flexible ones. And then them here now would I get the 3 tie. And them 6 there. 3 of them there get 1 tie. Yeah. So it's gonna be shared equally. And then we'll blindfold ourselves. Ready? 1 tie to 1, 2 tie to 1. Tighter than that, how that looks. So, hey, she cheating, sister.
I'm not cheating.
No worry, man. We are
going to out the drawer.
gonna mix them up. Watch.
Alright, see you.
Okay, Mr. Stay on and brief.
Guys, this is frustrating.
Much tie that already?
3.
Oh, I pull that out back. Pull out that back side.
Drink out.
No. Well, just not tie them, you tie it in a car.
Then I'm just up.
Not tie them too tight. That's why I said not tie them too
Can't
tight.
still tight. I said, better get this with them though.
No, you keep that. You are untie that. You're too cruel.
Look at this masterpiece. You look like your dog then when you close
You will get that the one.
Let me tell you.
Guys, look at this.
Plot, yeah, keep that too.
Girl, look how they made tie loose. Watch them.
can't accept this one. You not pull that out.
See it out.
You get a Jaws. You get a Jaws. You get a Jaws.
Ready?
Just pick up and pull.
So why me have to get my one?
Or pick your 4 and pull.
No, pick up. Only
Wait.
can't. No tie back on the one.
Oh, move from here, so yeah.
No, me and me do this, but me and me do this, but don't untie with only tie.
Okay. Don't tie this one.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Jaws on.
Me get all of the answers. Alright.
Oh, this feels so like to me.
Ready.
Ready?
So what you gonna wish
We're gonna
me
wait
to
till we
untie?
start. We're gonna ready. What? No.
Just untie.
Ready?
Wait, I'm blindfolded.
I'm ready.
Alright, pick up your chest, right?
Wait, man. Oh my
I
god.
drew me to start blindfolded. Yeah.
Wait, one tie this.
Oh, girl, wait.
No man. Our last one we didn't want to tie that
Mariana, you do it. Mary, video still around?
Yep.
Yeah, the windows are touching. Alright. So guys, we are all blindfolded. We did it ourselves. So any one of them win, guys. I cheat, then I tie good. Then I tie them mask good. Cause I can't see a thing.
I have a blood
Ready?
in, you know.
Ready? Set. Go.
No. This is not no one tie job.
What's that? Who tie them up?
Wait.
No. Oh, Bella got so
I
fast.
say.
No. I can't one tie this. Oh. Bella, take up my jaws, them man.
Hey, try
We
to
are talking to my tree pan to them, yes?
But Brittany, I draw that one at tight. I just know I feel this. But I know Bell never do it.
Why? I don't know. Me tie other one them tight. I just want them with the string. I know say mine of them can't pull out. Bombata, who tie this so tight?
I will tie this. Wait.
Hey, me can't pull this out.
Yeah, they are going for the tire.
No, sir.
Mirror them wicked down.
I'm not using them out.
I'm telling you who near to winning.
Yeah.
Bell.
What?
Yep.
Hey, girl.
And
Alright,
Kayla
go
too.
in and stop talk.
What's that?
Brittany too. Yeah, man, Brittany.
Oh wait, tap each other. We're not paying for that.
I can't tie this. Terrace. I can't.
Are you making one of them have to pull out you? Anyone have to pull out you?
Me done.
What?
She lie. You pull out the hard one?
Oh yeah, should I get this one now?
Yeah, you did. We have taps, huh? You think I know we can't hold on there?
Hey, girl, stop using one.
She never said she done.
Me with her lied self.
Yeah, me done.
She lie.
Guys, tell them some me done.
Who the hell tie this? I know my dress this.
What you do? Brittany, Mellow, what you cheat?
Bello ramp. What my dress there? Say they were tie one
Say that
more
up,
time, girl. I wish you
What are you blindfold to man?
So I'm not putting on me to get the last kid first. Wait, don't be blindfold on.
Mm-hmm.
Are we ready?
Wait there. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, I'm put so much not funny. So much not funny one string.
This have been up my fingernail. Well, my fingernail bend back, I can feel it.
Cause I'm in the mood and I'm feeling so. Say what you might be. Hey, your teeth are using on you.
Like earlier, you said teeth I use.
And my fingernail, I just buy it off my panty make it bend. But make sure nobody not use teeth, you know. Oh. Done.
Me-
What? No, sir.
We're not done yet.
No, yet. Feel like me done too.
I'm done.
Me done.
Can I take it off?
Yeah. Yeah. I like Britney so I'm tired of this.
Where?
Come on, inspect the dress then.
Where, Tyler?
No tie.
Awa. Awa.
Telling people that I won. So guys,
You know when?
yes. So my panty here ready.
No.
You are last one, I'm leaving, man.
You know.
You know win nothing. Remember I said
I
me
mean,
win long. Now it's me win.
The camera will drop it up still.
Guys, as you can see, I've won the panty
Sure.
challenge.
She
I
lost.
don't lose. Come on.
Guys, I'm not be the judge, right? You know what you will like, so I don't know what on.
Or eat a sweetie them now?
No, sir.
I think I did the butter one, the butterscotch. The other butterscotch tastes better than the brandy.
As
Yeah,
you
so guys, that was the panty challenge.
She
Please
lost.
leave a comment below to let us know who won and who lost. Please leave a like, please share, comment, subscribe. Remember to go and check out Flavorful's Adventure.
And negative iron.
And until next time, we will see y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.